So the nice people at Reevaa sent me this dog car seat cover, asked if I would do a review. I didn't pay for the product, but I'm not being paid to do the review. So I thought I'd get it installed, take my dog out for a ride, give you an honest take, see what we think. All right, so as you can see, this is what the car seat cover looks like installed. It's got the handy loops that go over and secure themselves on the headrest. These are adjustable, which is nice because you can pull up the slack, give you a little more fit there. And on the back of the front seat headrests, we can see those are looped over as well. And then there's a nice pocket here. And there's one on the back of the passenger seat. In between, we have this handy mesh. But what I really like about this one is that this actually unzips. So if your pup wants just a little access to the front, or if they don't want to be blocked by that, they can see out. And I like that. That's pretty nice. We had another car seat cover that we were using that didn't have this feature, and he got really frustrated. So he was constantly trying to get up on this. And then because he couldn't really see out here, he was getting up on the door panels, which can be a little annoying. Plus, he's sliding around. This does come with its own hook that you can hook into a seatbelt and attach to your dog's harness. But overall, very simple to install. It seems very secure. It's going to protect a lot. It has this flap here. We look down here. This is actually for the door panel. Got this handy hook here, and this can just go right up here and hook to the top. And then here we've got some handy zippers. So those, when zipped, create protection for that door panel. So I really like that. I'm always trying to protect the door panel. There's typically a lot of potential for scratches on the door panels with dog nails, so it's nice to have this. And it's pretty simple to undo. You can just unzip it. It's probably easier with two hands, but you know. Unzip it. This comes out, and it just hangs down out of your dog's way. You can also stick it underneath if you want to fold it down. That way it stays out of the way, so if you don't even want to use those panels, you don't have to. But overall, it's a really nice design. Looks like it provides a lot of protection. These panels are a little cushioned, so I know there's some antimicrobial material in here. This is a waterproof fabric and should be pretty easy to clean. It doesn't have any kind of a suede material like some others. Those hairs won't get embedded. And it does have 3 panels here. It folds up into a handy carrying case, so you can see how flexible it is right there. When the pup is out on this section, there is a little bit of a give, maybe some more give in this middle section here, just because it's not anchored to the back of the seat the way these other 2 are. But if you've got yourself a large dog, I don't think this should be an issue handling their weight. So I got in here a little earlier. I weigh about 185 pounds, and it seemed to support my weight just fine. So now the real test is going to be getting our pup Archer in here and taking him out for a ride to see what he thinks. So overall, pretty successful trip with the pup. It held up really well. I mean, he weighs about 19 pounds, and the vet still thinks he's fat. He seemed pretty sure-footed. He doesn't weigh a whole lot, so he does slide a little bit. But for those pups who are bigger and weigh more, they're probably going to be a lot more stable. Having the cutout was great because he was able to see out. He didn't spend too much time trying to get on the door panels. Overall, I think this is a great pet liner. I'm going to keep this one in my car as opposed to the other. I might add Tesla's door panel guards because that'll give me protection to the top part of the door sills. But overall, this is a pretty effective and pretty good quality pet liner. So, well done.